Nature's Silly Squishy and Innocent. It's from Silly Squishies. Okay, so tons of tape. So yeah, but that's okay. Since we don't have any, I guess she's trying to do it anyway, because I don't do anything bubble after your paper in here. So yeah, let's open the package. So get your scissors ready. Boy, this is quite hard to cut. This is quite hard to cut because there's so much tape. There we go. So now I'm going to get a tiny bit bigger. Okay. Okay, so the first thing that I feel we do is I have this Eric Friend's pig. A package right there. It's Eric Friend's pig. It's actually really squishy and stuff, but like I just don't want to. There's just a ton of air in the packaging, so no defects or nothing. Okay. Okay, so there's the packaging. It's really cute. And this is the pig, just in case you didn't know. It's the pig with his eye. But the next thing in the package is first let me check if there's a note. No invoice. So yeah, but what I do feel, I think is okay. So I grabbed that. So I didn't order this, so I'm guessing this is an extra. So she gave me this purple emoji head bun. So yeah. Super squishy in my opinion for a tiny squishy. So a little slow rising. So fun strip it there. It's not stretchy by the way. And both of them are really soft. So yeah. This one has like a little, this is a pink emoji face bun. It has a kissy face on it. This one's a little more slow rising. But they're both really squishy. So yeah. So the next thing that I'm gonna pull out in here is, if I can get it out, is my Despair School cupcake. I've got the strawberry one. Squishy strawberry is quite fun. And here is a close-up of the tag I'm going to make for you guys. On the tags, real close. Okay, so this is the tag. Comes in a golden ball chain. It's a sweet smash with the Bear Squishies. Just see that focus. Doesn't like focusing. Can't make it focus, but alrighty. Okay, so there it is. And there's the squishy. No defects. So yeah. Oh yeah, just the dust pluggy thingy. And this one, we'll look at the tag. Next thing Last thing I pulled out is my Jumbo Hawaiian Cinnabon. This smells really good. I'm barely squishing it. Look how squishy that is. Barely squishing. Now, there's air in here, so yeah. Open it up, and now I'm gonna squish it. Look at that. Look at that. Barely. Now this is like hardcore. Super slow rising. And no defects. None defects. And the texturing on the back looks quite nice. So yeah. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Smash the like button for future videos like this. And also click that subscribe button right here if you're like on a computer or something. Or up there if you're on like an iPad or something like that. Like, hope you guys enjoy. And also leave a comment down below what other videos I should do next. Bye.